world's largest aircraft, the incredible Antonov AN-225. Standing tall at over 84 meters long and with a wingspan of nearly 88 meters, this aviation marvel is truly a sight to behold. Originally built to transport the Soviet Union's space shuttle, the AN-225 is a true giant of the skies. Its 6 powerful engines generate a mind-blowing 300,000 pounds of thrust, allowing it to carry an astonishing payload of up to 640 tons. But it's not just its immense size that makes the AN-225 so remarkable. This behemoth can reach speeds of up to 800 km per hour and has a range of over 4,000 kilometers, making it a versatile and long-range transporter. Inside, the AN-225 boasts a cavernous cargo hold, capable of accommodating even the bulkiest of cargo. With its unique front-loading ramp, this aircraft can handle oversized and heavy items with ease. Whether it's military equipment, humanitarian aid, or massive machinery, the AN-225 is ready for the challenge. So, next time you spot the Antonov AN-225 in the skies, marvel at its magnificent presence and remember that you're witnessing the world's largest aircraft in action. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed exploring the incredible Antonov AN-225 with us. If you want to see more amazing aviation content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.